Hi, are you missing out on unclaimed dividends? And not sure what to do or how to claim them? Please find the video till the end.
Every year, a significant number of shareholders in India miss out on dividends that legally belong to them. These unclaimed dividends often arise due to outdated bank details, changes in address, inactive demat accounts, or lack of awareness among shareholders and their legal heirs. In many cases, investors are unaware that dividends declared by companies remain unpaid in their name for years. As per statutory requirements, when dividends remain unpaid for a prolonged period, they are transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund, IEPF. Once transferred, the recovery process becomes more structured and documentation intensive. Understanding how unclaimed dividends arise, the legal framework governing them, and the correct procedure to claim them is essential to protect shareholder rights and avoid permanent financial loss.
Now, what are these unclaimed dividends? Unclaimed dividends refer to dividend amounts that have been declared by a company but have not been received or encashed by shareholders within the prescribed period. This situation may occur when dividend warrants remain unencashed, electronic transfers fail due to incorrect bank details, or shareholders do not complete mandatory KYC requirements. Initially, such unpaid dividends are retained by the company in a designated account. However, if shareholders fail to claim them within the statutory timeline, the law mandates their transfer to the IEPF, along with the underlying shares in certain cases.
Now, let's understand what are the legal framework governing unclaimed dividends. The regulatory provisions relating to unclaimed dividends are governed by Sections 124 and 125 of the Companies Act, 2013, read with the IEPF Authority, Accounting, Audit, Transfer and Refund, Rules, 2016. Under these provisions, dividends that remain unpaid or unclaimed for 30 days from the date of declaration are transferred to the unpaid dividend account of the company. If the dividend remains unclaimed for 7 consecutive years, it is transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund, IEPF. Along with dividends, the corresponding shares are also transferred to the IEPF. Once transferred, shareholders must follow the prescribed IEPF refund procedure to recover their dividends or shares.
How to check if you have unclaimed dividends? Is there any good way? Let's find out. Before initiating a claim, shareholders should verify whether any dividends are pending in their name. This can be done through the IEPF Authority website, which lists dividends and shares transferred to IEPF, the company's official website, under the Unpaid Dividend section, contacting the company's registrar and transfer agent, RTA, reviewing historical dividend statements and bank records. If the dividend is still held by the company and not yet transferred to IEPF, it can be claimed directly from the company.
The important question is how to claim unclaimed dividends before transfer to IEPF. If dividends have not yet been transferred to IEPF, the recovery process is relatively simple. The shareholder must submit a written request to the company or its RTA, provide identity proof and updated bank details, complete pending KYC or demat updates. If required after verification, the company releases the dividend directly to the shareholder's registered bank account.
Claiming dividends after transfer to IEPF. Once dividends are transferred to IEPF, the claim must be made through the statutory refund mechanism. The process involves filing Form IEPF 5 online on the MCA portal, submitting physical documents to the concerned company, verification by the company and submission of a verification report to the IEPF Authority, examination and approval by the IEPF Authority. Upon approval, the dividend amount is credited directly to the claimant's bank account. Thank you for watching.